Hello there, and welcome back to the Dreemo channel. Tonight, we turn our attention to the immense, patient forces that sculpt the surface of our planet: mountains, wind, and rock. These forces operate on timescales so vast, their movement is a profound form of stillness. Their work is a quiet, continuous process, eroding and building, creating permanence from endless change. Let the deep stability of the rock world settle your mind. Fact 1. The quiet rise of mountains. Mountains do not burst from the earth. They rise with unimaginable slowness. They are formed as massive continental plates collide, pushing rock upward over millions of years. The Himalayas, for example, are still growing today, but only by a few millimeters each year, a pace quieter than the growth of a fingernail. Fact 2. The softness of erosion. The process that destroys mountains is often slow and gentle. Erosion. Water, wind, and ice patiently wear down rock, grain by grain. This patient grinding, operating across entire geological epochs, demonstrates that the softest touch, given enough time, possesses the greatest power. Fact 3. Sand's long journey. Every grain of sand on a quiet beach has its own long, slow story. It may have started as a piece of solid rock high in a mountain range, traveling down rivers and getting slowly worn smooth by the quiet action of water and friction for thousands of years before finally resting by the ocean. Fact 4. The unseen movement of glaciers. Glaciers are massive rivers of ice that move with incredible slowness, flowing under their own weight. This movement is often imperceptible to the human eye, yet their immense, quiet pressure carves out valleys and shapes landscapes. They are the planet's silent, frozen sculptors. Fact 5. The memory held in ice. The oldest ice on Earth, found deep in the Antarctic ice sheets, is over 1 million years old. Each layer of ice contains tiny, undisturbed bubbles of ancient air, acting as a quiet, frozen record of the Earth's past atmosphere and climate. It is a silent library of deep time. Fact 6. The patience of limestone. Limestone, a common rock type, is formed over eons from the compressed, quiet remains of tiny marine organisms that settle slowly on the seabed. This familiar rock is a testament to the fact that the most solid structures can be created from the softest, smallest parts of life. Fact 7. Wind's gentle touch, vindaloo. In deserts, wind creates beautiful, smooth sand dunes. This process, called aeolian transport, is the movement of particles by wind, creating slow, shifting patterns. The desert air is often quiet, yet the wind is a constant, patient artist, continually reshaping the landscape. Fact 8. Geodes, crystal cradles. A geode appears as a plain, ordinary rock on the outside, but inside, it hides a cavity lined with beautiful crystals. These crystals grow silently and slowly from mineral-rich water over hundreds of thousands of years. The geode is a secret, quiet chamber of slow, hidden growth. Fact 9. Rock expansion. Rocks contain internal stress from their formation. When surface layers are removed by erosion, the pressure is released, and the underlying rock slowly and quietly expands, often causing large sheets of rock to peel away from the mountain face. A silent, gradual unburdening of geological stress. Fact 10. Plate tectonics. The continental drift. The continents rest on tectonic plates that are constantly drifting. The rate of this movement is typically about 1 to 5 centimeters per year. This gentle, Constant drift ensures that no landmass is ever truly fixed, but the movement is so slow it is the very definition of geological stillness. Fact 11. The long life of a river. Rivers appear fast-flowing, but their lifespan is measured in millions of years. Over this vast time, a river will slowly and patiently carve out a meandering path, shifting its course and deepening its valley in an unhurried, continuous process. The river's work is a lesson in patient persistence. Fact 12. Minerals formed in silence. Many of the most beautiful and perfect crystals, such as amethyst and quartz, form deep underground in complete darkness and stillness. The absence of light and external disturbance is essential for the slow, quiet, molecular process that allows the atoms to align into perfect structures. Fact 13. Volcanic rest. Active volcanoes spend the vast majority of their existence in a state of quiet rest. The period between eruptions can span centuries or millennia. During these long, silent phases, the magma chamber slowly builds pressure and energy, demonstrating quiet power beneath the still surface. Fact 14. The quiet weight of the ocean. The deepest parts of the ocean floor are compressed by the immense, quiet weight of the water column above. This pressure is so immense that it affects the geological formations below, proving that even a calm, still body of water exerts a powerful, constant, and silent force on the planet. Fact 15. Desert varnish. In the world's oldest deserts, rocks often develop a dark, thin coating called desert varnish. This layer is created by colonies of quiet, slow-growing bacteria that slowly accumulate iron and manganese from dust over thousands of years, painting the desert rocks with quiet permanence. Fact 16. The formation of soil. The thin layer of fertile soil that supports life is the result of millions of years of rock weathering and decay. Soil creation is one of the slowest and most critical geological processes, a continuous, quiet mixing of organic matter and pulverized rock, proving patience is essential for life. Fact 17. Sedimentary layers. Look at any canyon wall, and you see distinct horizontal layers. These sedimentary layers were formed by soft materials settling on the bottom of ancient seas or lakes, slowly building up layer by quiet layer over vast stretches of time. Each layer is a quiet chapter in the Earth's long story. Fact 18. The melting icebergs. While melting icebergs are a symbol of change, the process is inherently slow and quiet. A massive iceberg detaches and drifts silently through the ocean, slowly releasing its ancient, trapped fresh water back into the sea. A calm, gradual transition of frozen mass back to liquid flow. Fact 19. Earth's core is quieter than you think. Deep beneath the crust, the solid inner core spins slightly faster than the rest of the planet. This motion is not violent. It is a slow, steady, silent differential rotation that contributes to our magnetic field, a quiet, immense engine at the center of the world. Fact 20. The ultimate stability. Ultimately, the Earth's geological processes are defined by their ultimate stability. Despite constant movement, the planet maintains a delicate, slow balance between creation and destruction. This immense, foundational order is the most calming fact of all. Let the deep, unhurried stability of the Earth hold your mind in its stillness.